Uy, alam niyo ba ang kwento ng panimula? Alam niyo, napakagandang kwento nito. The Bible said in the Genesis 1 and 2, in the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. And also, God created us, man. The first man that has been created is Adam. And through Adam, God created Eve. Alam niyo ang kwento nito? Si Adam, nung na-create ng Lord, habang nagpapangalan siya ng mga hayop, nakita ng Lord na malungkot siya. And tinanong niya, bakit ka malungkot, Adam, anak ko? Alam niyo, sabi ni Adam, wala kasi akong helper, wala akong kasama. Ngayon, sobrang bait ng Lord, pinatulog niya si Adam and He created a helper. Through Adam, He created Eve. Alam niyo, ito pa, sa sobrang bait ng Lord, kinreate niya everything na He prepares as food. He prepared everything that we can consume. Alam nyo, maraming tao nagtatanong, mahal ba tayo ng Diyos? Ganyan, binigyan tayo ng pagsubok, etc. Alam nyo, ito masasabi natin. When you read the Bible, you can see that God loves us so much that He chose to limit His power and gave us free will. And that free will is intended for us to use to love Him. Alam niyo, isa lang naman utos ng Lord. You can consume everything dun sa Garden of Eden except for one tree. The tree of knowledge of good and evil. Yun lang naman, guys. Pero we chose to disobey God. It is said in the Genesis 3. We chose to disobey God. Eve was tempted by the serpent, and Eve convinced Adam that they consume yung bunga nung that puno. Nakakalungkot na binigay na ng Diyos ang lahat sa atin, pero we chose to live our life separate from God. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, mga kapatid. Makikita natin kung gaano kabait ang Diyos dito. Itutuloy natin sa next video. So, stay tuned and see you. God bless.